Hey everyone, Duke Nukem 3D here with another unboxing, and as alluded to, this is the second unboxing from Hype from the r/God Discord. Very thankful for this. There's something in here that I am very excited for, something that has not been outside of China to our knowledge, and something that we do not currently know what it is. But before I get to that, why don't we just get right into the unboxing very carefully here. Because this box is rather scraunched, as you can see, but I don't doubt that the contents survived. So let's get right to it. Let's see, get that there and that. Bubble wrap as usual. Oh shit, I was not expecting it to come with a carrier bag. Oh, nice. Alright, so in this carrier bag, which I was not expecting at all, we have here, we've got a nice strap there. Now let's see. Yes, we have what we don't know what it is actually. I am referring to it as a FMJ09A, but we don't know the current designation. So these are currently still being evaluated and tested by the People's Liberation Army. So this is very much a Chinese quote-unquote experimental mask. We know very little about it, and holy shit, I was not expecting it to be a full kit with the filter and everything. See, what else does it come with? I'll probably evaluate this better later, because there's lots of odds and ends in here that I don't really understand what they're for, but very thankful for this. I was not expecting it to be an entirely full kit, so very, very excited about this. This is the only one that we know of currently in the US, and once we get this all clean, once I get it all cleaned up, I'll do a review on it, so getting that out of the way. The only other, wait, there's one more thing on the bottom, but first off, the next thing I have is the actual military coffee can for my Type 64B, which I was lacking, and he was kind enough to sneak this over the border. I think it's actually currently illegal to ship items with asbestos in them outside of China, and he managed to smuggle this one, so I'm very, very thankful for that, because now my Type 64B kit is complete. And then here, oh my fucking lord, god damn it, Hype. He sent me some commie propaganda, so that's great. Thanks. I'll be sure to put that on the bookshelf. But anyways, yeah, thank you again for all this. This was completely free. This was, again, getting way more than I expected out of this. It feels very good quality too. Like, geez. So yeah, I'll expect a review on this mask sometime pretty soon, within either later today or tomorrow. I don't fucking know. I'll do it when I get to it. God damn it. But again, thanks again. That's all the unboxings I have for now, and I'm Duke Nukem 3D. If you have any comments, questions, corrections, or concerns, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you all later.